Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a stand store for a digital product. Okay, so first up, let us know what exactly is a digital product. So a digital product is a file-based product that your customers can instantly access after purchase. All right, no shipping or any live sessions required. It's one of the simplest and most scalable ways to share your knowledge, creativity, or tools online. You can sell just about anything that can be downloaded or linked to, including ebooks, guides, templates, assets, planners, workbooks, or even recipes. Okay, so if you don't know how to add a digital product to your stand store, just go ahead and log into your stand store account right here. Then go to the left panel and click on My Store. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on Add Product. Okay. Click on it. Now go ahead and select at the top right, we have digital products. All right. If you want to sell a course, that's different. You can go ahead and use this one. But for this video, let's just go ahead and focus on PDFs, guides, templates, exclusive contents, ebooks, and etc. So just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, here you can go ahead and edit your product card. Okay. Call out right here is the best in my opinion. But you can go ahead and use button or even preview right here. Okay. The difference between preview and call out right here, as you can see, it got a ready to download section and also learn more. So if you want this one, go ahead and do so. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use call out. Okay. So add your title, for example, get my ebook like so. Get my ebook now. Scroll down, add your description. I'm just going to leave it as is. We will deliver this file right here in box. Button, get my guide. If you want to change it, go ahead and change it. And then if you want to change the thumbnail right here or the picture, go ahead and click on choose image. And if you want to, you can go ahead and use the library of Stan right here or Stan Store. If not, you can go ahead and upload your photo right here. Click on upload image. Let's say I'm just going to use this photo right here. Hit on open, crop it if you want to. And then you can go ahead and zoom in and zoom out as well. All right, use this photo, wait for it, and done. Okay, you can go ahead and click on next to customize your checkout page. Click, there you go. Add a product image right here, choose image. So if it's an ebook, you can go ahead and upload a cover of your ebook. Okay, I'm just going to select a random image right here, maybe this one, like so. Use this photo. Price right here, edit this one. For example, I'm going to sell it for $556, like so. Discounted price, turn it on if you want to, just for $5. Okay, so if you want to change the description right here, go ahead and erase this one. But here's a template from Stan Store. Okay, here's the preview. Like this ebook right here will teach you everything you need to achieve your goals. This guide is for you. If you're looking to achieve your dream, find meaning in your work, be happy. I'm just going to leave it as is. Section headline right here, this one, and the info that's going to be collected. All right. Like name, email. If you want to add in some more section right here, go ahead and scroll down and click on add field, like a phone number, text multiple choice drop down, or chat box. Okay. Add maybe phone, like so. As you can see, it's now added. If you want it to be required, just make sure to click on the slider. Scroll down, upload your digital product. Now here's the fun part. You can upload nearly any file type to your Stan Store, all right, including XLS, PDF, PSD, EPS, or SVG, or even MP4. Now, the recommended size or the file size is 500 megabytes or as small as possible, just to ensure quick downloads for your customers, all right? Files up to 5 gig are supported as well, but larger files may cause issues on slower networks or older devices. Also, if your file format is not supported, don't worry, you can just upload your content to a platform like Google Drive or Dropbox, then just get the link, okay, and paste that link in here. All right. Say for example, right here, okay, this one right here, this file, I'm going to right click on it, hit on share, copy link, minimize, then I'm going to paste that link in here. Okay. If you don't want a URL, just click on upload file, choose files, and upload your file. Okay, just wait for it, and once done, you can go ahead and test the download right here. There you go. Going back, just scroll down, and if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on publish or save as draft. Just gonna hit on publish right here. There you go. You can now preview your Stan Store right here or via web. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.